There are few trucks as iconic in the working world as the Ram 2500. With its bold design and unmistakable power, the Ram 2500 is one of the top-selling heavy-duty pickup trucks on the market year after year. At Black Widow, we give every factory-fresh and completely stock Ram 2500 another shot of adrenaline. Now it's time to experience the Black Widow difference. With the power and torque of the 6.7-liter Cummins engine, drivers are going to need a suspension system that not only looks as strong as the powertrain performs, but also can handle the extreme torque delivered through the drivetrain. Each Ram 2500 Black Widow starts off with a choice of our premium 4 or 5-inch suspension lift system, with the 5-inch suspension lift system being the standard and most popular option. Using the highest quality bracketry on the market, the lift system is polished off with custom valve shocks for an unrivaled ride quality both on-road and off. To match the lift system, the Black Widow Ram 2500 comes with a wide array of wheel options in your choice of satin black, gloss black, or gloss black and milled finishes. Our proprietary 20-inch Black Widow wheels help you stand out in a crowd. But for those who are looking for an even bolder statement, we also offer the Black Widow Ram 2500 with 22-inch custom wheels in either fully gloss black or gloss black and milled for a look that will turn heads wherever the journey leads. No matter the wheel size choice, both our 20 and 22-inch wheels are wrapped in premium 37-inch tall mud terrain tires for aggressive looks and superior traction in any conditions. Each Black Widow Ram 2500 is more than just a lift kit and a set of wheels. On the exterior alone, we add dozens of custom touches that let everyone know that you are driving a true custom vehicle. Our proprietary color-match pocketed fender flares not only add to the truck's aggressive stance, but help protect the body from flying debris. Powered and lighted entry steps are standard on the Black Widow Ram 2500, making this truck as practical as it is versatile. Iconic Black Widow badging is placed in key spots along the truck, which tell the world that you're driving a vehicle that is often replicated but never duplicated. The list of exterior options on the Black Widow Ram 2500 is quite extensive as well. Each truck can be outfitted with our custom Black Widow high clearance bumper that comes complete with an LED light bar in the center and cube LED auxiliary lighting on each side. LED color changing rock lighting can also be installed to not only help you out on the trail, but will also set you apart from anyone else on the street. To finish off the option list, our in-house industry-leading body shop can paint your Black Widow Ram 2500 in nearly any finish you can imagine. Everything from a full color change in either matte or gloss finishes to our extremely popular hi-hat paint scheme can be done and delivered right to your door. The custom touches aren't just for the outside of the truck. The Black Widow Ram 2500 has several custom features on the interior as well. Each truck comes equipped with our 50 state legal window tint to keep drivers cool and enhance privacy. Each truck also features the Black Widow red LED lighting under the dash of the truck and the famous Black Widow gauge cluster, so that you will have a constant reminder that you truly have bought the best. For an even more distinctive look, custom stitched Black Widow headrests are available, as well as our optional Black Widow leather seat covers that will dial up the level of custom to 11. The Black Widow Ram 2500 is ready for anything you can throw its way. From job site hauling and towing to a weekend at the lake or on the trails, the Black Widow Ram 2500 is ready for it all. Each Black Widow package is fully OEM approved, meets federal motor vehicle safety standards, includes full recalibration on all speed, distance, and camera features, and carries our own additional 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all parts built, serviced, and installed as part of the Black Widow package. Peace of mind, a full factory warranty all wrapped into a fully custom truck. What more could you want? For more information on the Black Widow Ram 2500 and the entire Black Widow line of vehicles, visit us on the web at blackwidowtrucks.com or find a Black Widow vehicle at a dealer near you by visiting liftedtrucksforsale.com.